See, in question number 30, a sample of vitamin C is known to contain 2.58 into 10 power 24 oxygen atoms. Apo, given number of oxygen atoms, how much is it? 2.58 into 10 power 24 atoms. Okay, atoms of oxygen is present. How many moles of oxygen atoms are present in this sample? So number of moles is nothing but given number of atoms divided by Avogadro number of atoms. Correct? So what should you do? You have to divide it by 6.022 into 10 power 23. That's it. So how many moles will you get from this? When you are dividing,
4.28 moles.
4.28 moles. Good. Answer is 4.28 moles. It's a very simple problem. See, in question number 31, Raunak, a person, he is taking 5 moles of carbon atoms, okay, in one container. So in a container, he is taking 5 moles of carbon atoms. And the other person, Krish, is taking in the same size, same weight irukkakudiya container, he is taking how much? 5 moles of sodium atoms. So 5 moles na enna martham? It is the same number, okay. What is it? Just like 1 dozen not 12 in Ramari, 1 mole has got the same number. So 5 moles of carbon atom. Now, how much ever number of atoms are here, the same number of atoms are present inside this container as well. Okay. The question now is, which container is heavier? So you need not even calculate what is the weight of these two containers. Rather, the question is just whose container is heavier. See, one atom of carbon, what is its mass? You can say 12 in atomic mass units. Illana, 1 mole of carbon atoms mass okay da. What will you write it as? 12 grams. Other way, inge, over here, 1 mole of sodium atoms. What will be its mass? It will be 23 grams. So whose mass is greater? Sodium atom's mass is greater. So 5 moles ke edu jastiya irukum. It will be for sodium atoms. So first option A, which is the answer? Whose container is heavier?
Which container is heavier, ma'am?
Correct. Okay. So answer is Krish's container is heavier. Option B, whose container has more number of atoms? Both has equal number of atoms. Correct? In a 5 moles da rendume edukrom. Number of moles vary aachna dana ungalku number of atoms differ agum. Both has equal number of atoms. This is as if like I am buying 1 dozen of banana and 1 dozen of orange. Numbers la yaar kitta adhigama irukku keta enna solveenga? Rendu per kittume 12 da irukum. Correct? Same thing here as well. See, 5 moles in your 5 moles da. So number wise it's the same. So number of atoms nu paakumbodhu both has got equal number of atoms. So mass wise then there is a difference. Sodium atoms are heavier compared to that of carbon atoms. So the container with 5 moles of carbon atoms will be less heavy compared to that of 5 moles of sodium atoms. Okay. So this should be your answer for question number 31. See, in question number 33, the universe is estimated to contain 10 power 22 stars. How many moles of stars are present in the visible universe? So what is that you know? Number of moles is nothing but equal to given number
Given mass by
divided by
molar mass.
Avogadro number. Correct? Given number of stars etana? It is 10 power 22 divided by Avogadro number enna 6.022 into 10 power 23. So you have to divide and give the answer. That will give you the number of moles. Okay. So upon dividing, you get the answer as 0.0166. And the answer you have to write the units as what? Moles. So number of moles of stars evadama? How many are there? 0.0166 moles of stars are present in 10 power 22 stars. Okay. Right. Question number 34. It's very simple. You have to find the SI prefix for these multiples and submultiple units. 10 power 3. Idu ungalke theriyum. What will you say?
1 kg,
10 power
ma'am.
3 is
1
not
kg,
kg.
ma'am.
Thambi, kg na grams ku specific solringa na artham. You should not say that. Okay. So I'm just asking what prefix you will give it. 1
okay,
kg
ma'am.
ன்றது
Okay, ma'am.
வரும்போது என்ன prefix கொடுப்ப? Kilo தானே? Grams
Yes, ma'am.
10 power 3 grams தான். You call it as kilo. So the prefix is kilo. 10 power minus 1 is deci. You might have come across decimeter. Decimeter na enna?
Yes, ma'am.
10 power minus 1 meters is nothing but decimeter. And 10 power minus 2 இது உங்களுக்கே தெரியும் centimeter.
Centi, ma'am.
Good. 10 power minus 6.
Micro, ma'am.
Minus 6 வரும்போது it becomes micro. Good. 10 power minus 9 is
Nano, ma'am.
nano. 10 power minus 12 becomes
Pico, ma'am.
pico. Okay. So this answers you should have written. Fine. Kilo, deci, centi, micro, nano, and pico. These are the prefixes. Okay. So subdivision A of 35. The question given is 5.84 into 10 power minus 3 milligram. Milli means what is it? What is milli? What is milli? Into 10 power minus 3. Correct? So you'll write it as 5.84 into 10 power minus 3 into 10 power minus 3 in grams. But the question asked is you have to convert it into kilograms. When you convert grams into kilograms, what will you do? You will add a further 10 power minus 3. Already 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 3, the merge panning it will be 10 power minus 6. Into in the grams a kg convert pannamodu, you bring in another 10 power minus 3. So you can write it in kg. So what is the answer, ma? 5.84 into 10 power minus 9 in kilograms. Subdivision B. It's very simple. 58.34 given in grams. Grams, how will you convert into kilograms? Into 10 power minus 3 kg, you can do it. Right? அதை வந்து உங்களோட fixed standard formula எழுதும் போது 5.834 into 10 power minus 4 வரணுமா minus 2 வரணுமா? Minus 2 because the decimal are moving towards the left. அப்போ உங்களுக்கு வந்து ஒரு positive value increase ஆகணும். Right? So it will be 10 power minus 2 kg. Subdivision C. 0.584 grams. So I can write this as 5.84 into 10 power minus 1. இந்த நம்பரை மட்டும் simplify பண்றது. அடுத்தது கிராம்க்கு பதிலா கிலோகிராம்னா into 10 power minus 3 kg. So what will you get? 5.84 into 10 power minus 1 and minus 3 added together will give you 10 power minus 4 in kg. Subdivision D. It is 5.873 into 10 power minus 21 grams. So 5.873 into 10 power minus 21 into 10 power minus 3 in kg you will write. So it will be 10 power minus 24 you will get. What is it? 5.873 into 10 power minus 24 in kg you can write. Fine. The next question, question number 36. Compute the difference in masses of 10 power 3 moles each of magnesium atoms and magnesium ions. So how will you proceed with this one? See, you have to find the difference in mass of 1000 moles of magnesium atom and magnesium ion. First of all, one atom can a difference in pakla. One magnesium atom, it becomes one magnesium ion by giving away 2 electrons. Okay. Appo what is the difference? 2 electrons becomes the difference. Okay. So mass of 1 electron கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. இப்ப 10 power 3 அதாவது 1000 moles of magnesium. So 1000 moles of Mg atom. Okay. இதோட mass minus 1000 moles of Mg2 plus ions. இதோட mass subtract பண்ணா it is nothing but it will give you 2 times. ஏன்னா 2 electron இருக்கு ஒரு ஆட்டம்க்குமான வித்தியாசத்துல. Right? So 2 times 1000 moles of electrons oda mass. So what is that you have to calculate? You have to find this difference. What is this difference? It is equal to 2 times the mass of 1000 moles of electron. And 1 atom of electron oda, 1 electron oda mass என்னன்னு கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. So what is the answer? 2 into 1000 is 2000 into 1 mole உள்ள எத்தனை இருக்குமா 6.022 into 10 power 23 electrons இருக்கும். Fine. So ஒரு electron mass என்னமா? It is nothing but equal to 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg. So for each atom 2 electrons வருது. அந்த 2 தான் இங்க 2 னு எடுத்துட்டு வந்திருக்கோம். And totally எத்தனை such electrons இருக்கும்னு சொன்னா 2000 moles of electrons அதனால வரும். ஏன்னா difference வந்து 1000 moles க்கு பார்க்கிறோம். So 2 times 1000 is 2000 moles. So for 1 mole this many number of particles are there. அதாவது this many number of electrons are there. And 1 electron of the mass is this. So totally how many electrons are there? 2000 times Avogadro number. ஒரு electron mass is 9.1 into 10 power minus 31. So இது எல்லாத்தையும் multiply பண்ணீங்கன்னா that will be the difference in mass of 1000 moles of magnesium atoms and magnesium ions. Okay. So when you multiply, what is it you will get? You will get the answer is 1.096 into 10 power minus 3 in kg. Or you can just write 1.096 grams and எழுதியிருந்தாலும் correct. Okay. So this is how you will present your answer. In the statement you have to present this answer. Please keep that in mind. Okay.